Look, Cypionate is the most widely available testosterone ester. And look, it can work. You can dial that in perfectly. I run Cypionate. I'm dialed in on Cypionate. Plenty of my clients are dialed in on Cypionate. Plenty of people are dialed in on Cypionate. But there are other testosterone esters, specifically testosterone enanthate. Now listen, there are people telling you to inject enanthate every day. There are people telling you to inject enanthate every other day. And although allegedly, daily injections seem to work for some people, largely they don't. So pinning enanthate every day, like into sub-Q tissue, your del even, it's not a good idea. Let's talk about the best frequency with testosterone enanthate, because listen, if you can change, if you've been thinking about change, you just want to try something different, and you get on test enanthate at the right frequency and the right dose, then you dial in on TRT forever and you stop spinning your wheels. I want to break down how to actually dose this based both on the scientific literature and my experience as an expert TRT coach, so that if you want to use test enanthate, you can dial in without wasting time. All right, before we start the video, look, Cortex Labs, which is my company, is a TRT guidance and sexual dysfunction resolution company. I'll rattle off some products real quickly. They're all down in the description of this video. High Dose TRT Mastery. It's a video course. You want a high dose test, learn how to do it, get great libido and erections, get that course. Downloadable digital playbook, Mastering Libido and Erections. This is the second one on TRT. Digital PDF downloaded instantly. Mastering Cypionate for teenage libido and still rat erections. Premium video course, Mastering Test Cream for libido and erections. Premium video course. We have a source list. All right, I'll give you coupon code 20 now. It's on the screen. Saves you 20% off all those digital products. Lastly, recently launched the TRT Protocol Audit, a low-pressure way to get on board and get help from a TRT expert, audit your entire protocol, and give you instructions on how to fix your biggest problems. You can book it under minutelivecortex.com. TRT Sexual Function Enhancement Consult. This is for guys with libido and erection issues that want to talk to me directly for a long call to fix your problems. Book that, livecortex.com. Lastly, just launched the Sports TRT Consult. This is a consult a lot of you have been waiting for. If you want a performance-based testosterone protocol, book me and let's talk about it and get you started. For extremely serious, obviously budget comfortable folks, I just launched Performance Optimization Black. I'll leave it in front of the screen. It's our highest level of support and coaching and guidance. You can book it in under a minute. Everything down in the description of this video at livecortex.com. Okay, so if you just Google testosterone enanthate and its half-life, its elimination half-life, meaning, you know, at what point after you inject test enanthate is that particular injection halfway out of your system down to roughly 50% of your blood, you get 4.5 to 5 days. 4.5 to 5 days. Whereas if you look at testosterone cypionate, I think we all generally know what cypionate is. It's a lot longer than that. I should have typed half-life here. We'll get half-life, and we're looking at 8 days. 8 days. It's 7 to 8 days. Now, listen, bodies clear testosterone differently according to the scientific literature. This isn't necessarily going to apply to you, but these are generalities you should think about. The trouble with TRT advice is that there are a lot of new age ideas out here, and there are a lot of things that are sort of misnomers, like the idea that if you want, you want the best way to get steady concentration of a drug in your system, which this idea assumes that is the best way to take the drug, but that's not always the case because there's a lot more nuance, is to do daily injections, right? So there are a lot of people telling you, if you're going to inject test enanthate, do it every day. Put in the ventral glute, the del with a half-inch needle, stuff we never did in TRT until like 10 years ago. Yes, if you want a steady concentration of the hormone in your blood, pin every day. But what a steady concentration of the hormone in your blood does not guarantee, nor does it even imply, is that you'll have consistently good ratios of androgens to estradiol, which is a really important ratio. In fact, the most important ratio if you want to have good sexual function on TRT and therefore get all the benefits. You guys know that I am not a proponent of daily injections. I think allegedly there are some people that can get away with it. I haven't really seen it a whole lot in coaching, and I've been coaching men on TRT for 7.5 years. Again, if there wasn't this nuanced stuff about pharmacokinetic profiles of certain injection frequencies and how that may overlap hormones, particularly at the tissue level, which everyone agrees matters, then sure, you could just inject it however you want to. And the idea of having the largest consistent concentration of the drug in the serum would be the best way, but this is not the case. If your body converts a little too much to estradiol versus DHT, or a little too much to DHT versus estradiol, say you're like an under aromatizer, you do daily injections of test enanthate at any dose, you will be not dialed in forever. So if it hasn't been clear up until this point in this video, I'm going to reject with a big giant X daily injections for testosterone enanthate. That is not the best way to inject testosterone enanthate. Every other day. Some people think, hey, let's switch to every other day. You get a little bit of a gap, somewhat of a peak and trough. Actually, if you look at the kinetics of that ester on a plotter website, you do not really get a peak and trough if you're doing every other day injections. And in most cases, every other day is a small amount of testosterone at a time. So looking at oil depot pharmacology, which is an area of science that no TRT expert out there is talking about that I discovered, usually bodies need more of the oil depot, more of the testosterone itself in the oil depot to get a pronounced result in the user. So every other day is out. Let's talk about every third day. Now, this can work with testosterone enanthate. Look, I mean, it's a 4 to 5 day half-life, right? So, I mean, every third day is kind of in that reasonable zone, somewhat similar to every fourth day with Cypionate or every fifth day with Cypionate. And you can absolutely make that work. Question really is it the best? Is it optimal for testosterone enanthate? The answer to that question is no. The best frequency to inject testosterone enanthate, hands down, and listen, you can dial this in. You've just got to have the right dose, the right ancillaries, the right frequency on those ancillaries, and you'll dial it in beautifully, is every fifth day. And I'll show you why. Let's take an example dose of 125 milligrams of testosterone enanthate every fifth day and go look at, when this plots, exactly what the kinetic profile looks like. Look at the peak and trough here, okay? We were at 1181, so roughly 1200 total TAS peak. Again, people are going to differ between 100 and 200 nanograms per deciliter compared to steroid plotter, but then you're troughing all the way down here to 860 nanograms per deciliter. What does that do? If you've been paying attention to any of my content recently, I've popularized the idea with great success with both clients and then users on our channel. Our channel is riddled with people saying, I've been listening to the daily injection nonsense, never dialed in, finally took your advice to inject higher doses at once with a bigger frequency in between, and now I've got my libido back. This is because there is a trough in androgens, a trough in estradiol, less exposure to both androgens for SHBG's sake and estradiol of the tissues for erection's sake, and then people dial in, right? You can only end up in a favorable ratio of dihydrotestosterone to estradiol if you are not being bombarded by aromatization 7 days a week. If you increase the dose, let's call it 175, and you decide to do this every 7 days, it's actually a little less optimal than every 5 days with enanthate. Let's plot that out. Look at how big that trough is. Now you're swinging from 1300 all the way down to 700 and something, 786. That's the lowest, like 750 something. It's a pretty big swing. Now that still might work for people, for those that don't want it to be difficult and don't want to be tedious and cumbersome. And okay, inject every 7 days, fine. You're probably gonna need a higher dose than 175, something like 220. Let's look at 220. Then at least you're peaking up at 1646, trough back down to 980. That's reasonable. But frankly, the better protocols on test enanthate are 125, 150, 175 every fifth day. Let's look at this. Let's look at 150 every 5 days and plot that out. Again, you get a beautiful peak and trough here. A beautiful peak and trough, exactly what your body needs to stay in the proper ratios of DHT to estradiol, which is, by the way, why you peak in the morning as a natty and why you trough at night, okay? To not get constant androgen exposure. As a natty, if you got constant androgen exposure, guess what would happen? Your SHBG would plummet, your delivery of androgens to tissues would plummet, and your ratios of DHT to estradiol via constant aromatization would be off. You'd have ED, libido problems, sensation problems, climax issues, and the whole roster of shit that goes wrong with people's sexual function. If you look at this curve, the every 5 day curve, just pay attention to that peak and trough for a second. Now we're going to switch to Cypionate, okay? Testosterone Cypionate. We're going to do 220, call it, every 7 days. Let's look at the curve there. Remarkably similar, right? Because Cypionate is a longer half-life compound, right? We're talking about 6 to 8 days. So it provides a very similar kinetic profile in a pretty big peak, and then a trough back down where you're still, in this case, supraphysiologics. You're not going super low in anything, but you get enough time to be at the trough so that you can maintain proper ratios, proper SHBG, and therefore proper sexual function on TRT. Now, people are going to have to play with doses, but I mean, that is the bottom line. I do not think from a pharmacologic, from a scientific, from a literature-based perspective, that testosterone enanthate is best injected every day, every other day, or every third day. This does not make scientific sense. It does not. Okay, if you were running tadalafil instead, okay, well, that does make sense to maybe dose 5 milligrams daily so you stay at a steady state so that you're always ready. Tadalafil is not testosterone, nor does it work the same way as testosterone, and nor does your body have to have the same, consistent, stable levels as it might need PDE5 inhibition. Sex hormones work differently. So the idea that, okay, just because you have this steady concentration, the best way to take any testosterone ester is daily so that you get the maximum amount of the drug continuously in your system is bogus. It is scientifically invalid. It does not work in real life because I'm the guy that gets the defectors from all the daily injection promoters who are so confident about it and dissuade anyone from thinking anything different, and actually talk negatively about people that have a problem with daily injections. If you're going to use testosterone enanthate, please don't inject it daily. Thank me later. The best frequency for test enanthate, in my opinion, my experience, my heavy research, is injecting every 5th day. Look, boys, whether it's Cypionate or enanthate, I built a course on dosing TRT in high doses, okay? Mega dosing tests to get the anabolism, but also how to dial in the erections and the libido at those higher doses, which is a lot more tricky. But if you use this framework, you'll dial it in and have the anabolism and the energy of a madman. High Dose TRT Mastery is a premium video course. Please get it down below. It's our most popular product that just launched 2 weeks ago. It's about an hour long of yours truly breaking it all down. Okay, if you just want to run regular doses of Cypionate, get Mastering Testosterone Cypionate for libido and erections. This is also a premium video course. If you want to run cream and get the best libido and erections, get Mastering Testosterone Cream for libido and erections. By the way, all this stuff 20% off. That's why you're seeing this code in front of the screen. You get a discount when you buy it. Have a source list, go grab it. Vetted list, anything you could think of, especially if you're trying to dial in and you need stuff that you might not be able to get here. Again, I just introduced 3 additional coaching consulting options that are really going to help people to dial in on TRT and get the expert help they need. Number 1, the TRT protocol audit. Okay, just launched. We've booked like 17 of these since it launched because people just want a low pressure way to get in, get advice from me, have an audit of their protocol, and fix some of their major problems. You can book this in under a minute. livecortex.com. All right, sometimes we're going to need more time on the phone and a more direct sexual function targeting with your issues. That's why the TRT Sexual Function Enhancement Consult, our second newest consult, is what will serve you in that case. You can book this in under a minute, 45 minutes with me. This is specifically for people that are having sexual function problems and do not want to do long-term coaching. Go book this, livecortex.com. 3 and 6 month coaching. All right, longer one-on-one programs. These are 50% off. Code is on the screen. If you need me for more time and some things are going to take more than a consult, use that coupon code. Save thousands of bucks right now. And then lastly, I just launched Cortex Labs Performance Optimization Black. This is full performance optimization for high caliber men to 20x your productivity and energy. It's 6 months with me, includes literally everything, only for serious individuals. Go book it below or at livecortex.com. All right, my brother in test. Listen, like the video. I wouldn't even ask you if it didn't make a difference or mean the world to me. It means actually everything to this channel if you would hit the like button. So please do it. Sub to the channel if you're not on board now. This is the stuff we've talked about in our history, and we will be talking about it forever in the time continuum. Love to have you on board. Otherwise, I'm going to leave you with one video that ties this all together that I really think you're going to want to watch. Click it here. It won't take you long, and you will thank me because there's a lot of good nuggets in there. Kick ass, rock on, enjoy the rest of your day, brother, and I'll talk to you in the next one.